Trust me, you don't want to miss it. Ooh, I needed this. You don't want to miss this. It's so good. It's actually very good. Happy New Year 2024. I hope you had a beautiful Christmas and also have started the new year on the right foot, because this year is going to be our year. Okay, welcome back to my channel. If today is your first time here, welcome. I'm glad you're here. I would love for you to join the family, so make sure to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. So obviously it's the beginning of the year, everyone has a resolution. For that reason, I thought I should share a few great immune boosting wellness shots. Yeah, not the type of shots you're thinking. These are going to be using vegetables and fruit to start off your day on the right foot, or your year if you would like to. I hope this year you're going to be able to introduce some of these in your health journey for 2024. Let's get started. I did forget to mention that I'm going to be sharing with you 8 immune boosting shots. Apart from the ingredients, the only thing that you're going to need is a blender and something to squeeze out your juice thing from. Now, because we're not juicing, we're actually blending these fruits and vegetables. That's why we need these. I'm actually probably going to cut this, because once that bit touches this, it's game over, because it's going to bleed to it and it's going to stain it. So I'm probably going to cut this. So the very first one is going to be right here. You have your lime, mandarin, and carrots. That's the first shot we're going to start with. Once we have our shots, we're going to be putting them in these little containers that I got from Amazon. I'm going to link below the exact product in my description box, so make sure to check my description box. It's not affiliated, I just bought it because I wanted to use them. I don't remember what the container, how many milliliters they are, but I'm going to check and just add it to the video. Start by adding your mandarin and squeeze the lime juice in there, about 1 lime juice. Remember, this is a shot, so it's not necessarily going to be the tastiest thing. So if you want it to be very tasty, that will be a different story. Okay, this has a lot of juice, so I'm going to do about 3/4. We're going to use the rest of this, and then add my carrots. We're going to blend. You can see we didn't have to add water in this because of the mandarin already in the product. So in the juice in the mandarin. So because the consistency is pretty liquid, I'm going to grab a glass to pour that in. I'm going to pour this, and then we're going to transfer it there. Ooh. You can wear gloves if you want. I just rinse my hands. See, the juice is already coming out. We're going to just squeeze that to get as much as we can. These little containers actually come with a funnel. So we're going to use that to transfer our juice or shot. Look at, oh! I think I put it too much. There you go. Here you have your first shot. Next, we're going to do beets, carrots, and ginger. Just add it here. Beetroot, ginger, and of course your carrots. This one you might need to put just a little bit of water, but we're going to try without the water because we'll see. We do have to add the water, just a little bit of water. It's pretty much like Beets always overpowers everything. It's always like that. I rinsed my net, but you can still see a little bit of the orange on it, so we're just gonna use it and rinse, use and rinse. That's just what's gonna happen. It's gonna be stained, but it's okay. I love beets, especially beets and kiwi and oranges, or beets, kiwi and mandarins. Oh my gosh, it's so good. I love it. Beets on its own is not my favorite. I don't really like the taste of beets on its own, except it's like salad, but overall I don't like the taste of beets on its own. So I always like to add it to like a fruit, some other type of fruit, to give me that taste. If not, not mine. So I'm gonna throw this away, and then I'm gonna rinse our strainer for the next one. You got your shots. It looks like blood. You got your shots. Shots ready. Next we have apple, watermelon, and lime. This one won't need water either, because watermelon has a lot of water. So, apple, half of lime juice, because lime is more potent than lemon. You don't want to put too much. It might not be, I mean, the goal is not to make it tasty, but it's also, the goal is also to make it tasty. It might not be tasty, so do that. I'm actually going to make only one of these, and I'm going to drink the rest because, yeah, there's a lot of juice in this one. This one is not as thick, so I'm not gonna strain this one. I'm gonna pour it straight. Yep. Apple, celery, and cucumber is the next step. Surprisingly, the thing that really stained this was the orange. The beets didn't do such a bad job. So I'm gonna go ahead and use this side that's not as stained. We are going to just drop that. Ooh, yes, perfect. I'm gonna drink the rest. It's not terrible, it's really good. This is actually really good. The cucumber really, what I put inside, the celery is not too overwhelming, so it's really good. It has just that little kick of sweetness, but it's not really sweet, and it's fine, and it works. Our famous cucumber comes back. In this case, it's coming with ginger and lime, and you know this is the shot. When it's a shot, you're gonna really taste the lime and the ginger in this one. I'm actually gonna add the last lemon that we used earlier. I'm just gonna finish that here. You don't have to, but I'm just gonna finish that here. We're gonna start with our ginger, obviously our cucumber, And then our lime zest. Not zest, lime juice. Did I just say lime zest? Oh my god. And then I'm going to finish that lemon that we started earlier. Because there's still some juice in there. And we're going to blend this. These shots though, you're going to feel it in your throat, like for real. And we're doing only one of these because it's gonna be a very strong shot. So yeah, that should be good. I'll put a little bit just for myself. Yes, I'm gonna drink that shots because I need it. Woo! Straight. You feel that ginger? That's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about. Here we go. We're making only one of these because this is very strong. Beets coming back. This time we're adding kiwi and orange. Obviously, you know how the beets are. Beets is just gonna like color it again, but it's fine. It's fine. Beets, orange, kiwi. Let's blend. This combination is actually one of my favorite when I do my juicing. Kiwi, beets, and orange. The taste, oh my gosh, you can't even imagine. Just the smell of beets and kiwi, it's amazing. Let's pour it. Apple, ginger, carrot, and turmeric. I did not find turmeric roots, so I'm gonna use powdered turmeric, so ground turmeric. As long as it doesn't have any other spice on it that's in it, is fine. You could add like black pepper or white pepper if you want that kick up heat, but I'm just doing basic turmeric. I'm gonna put just a little spoon. With the turmeric, you want to watch out because of the taste. It's kind of like it's a little bit like ginger, not the taste, but like if you don't like how strong turmeric tastes, I'm putting about 1/4 of a teaspoon, so not a lot. You don't want too much because you already have the ginger in there, so you're gonna get that kick either way. It's pretty strong. The turmeric and the ginger, pretty strong. So we are going to pour that in here. And we should be ready for the When this is shot, this is what I'm talking about. Definitely. Last we have grapefruit, half, ginger, and lime. This is gonna be another shot, so we're gonna make 2 of these actually because I love this one. Start with that ginger. Look, the turmeric has stained everything. Grapefruit. I want to squeeze some lime juice. grapefruits. If you're not a fan of grapefruits, you might not like this. Oh, I don't like the smell. Nope, I don't like it. So the turmeric stained my, I need to buy a new one. I have another one, but I think I need a new one. So let's strain that. I don't taste what it tastes like. No, you can definitely taste the bitterness of the grapefruits. This is what I mean by shots. You're not supposed to enjoy it. This is why you're supposed to take it and just let it go straight into your stomach and not even think about it. Because if you want to enjoy it, you won't like it. Here we go. You got your shot. So here we go. We have our 8 immune boosting shots for 2024. So if you open the description below, you're gonna see all the ingredients and what each of these shots are. Obviously the red ones have some type of bits on it. Make sure to hit that like button, and if you have not done yet so, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Until then, I will see you in the next video. Bye bye. Mwah.